What is up, YouTube fam? It's your favorite unapologetic lesbian, back with another one. This time, we've got some creepy ring cams, like the ring bell, whatever it's called, the doorbell cam. We've got some of those. So let's jump up.
Thanks for watching Twisted TV and welcome to the channel. Coming up on tonight's episode, we definitely have some suspicious activity, not to mention strange and unusual to say the least. Keep them doors locked and don't forget to keep an eye on your notifications. Not sure what is going on with the world these days, however, let's take a look together. Before we get this weird one started, quickly as usual grab the popcorn and your favorite beverage. Don't forget your favorite blanket, dim the lights and let's get started. This brazen stranger goes straight for the doorknob and tries to enter these people's home. How frightening. Police have been notified and a report has been filed. Be aware if you're in the area.
Ew. Is that a little fox or a little coyote? Coyote.
Fox visiting this homeowner's yard and front porch multiple times now. What a beautiful red fox. Be aware and keep your pets inside. Jesus Christ. Check this porch pirate out. Seems a little excessive, not to mention ridiculous. All this and he didn't even hide his face. This idiot takes the Chooch Award for sure on this one. I mean, come on man, buy a mask or wear a hoodie at least. Nevertheless, we enjoyed watching stupidity at its finest. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.
My thoughts is exactly what you said. We like watching stupidity.
Thanks. Break in on this one. This stranger broke into this backyard shed in the early hours of morning. Keep your doors locked, my friends. Man tripping rings doorbell at 2 a.m.
He looks scared.
I got 15 minutes. Which is 15 minutes. You cannot shoot or do anything. Take you.
Homeowner said this is the first time we've had something like this happen since we moved here in 2021. Based on his paranoid and outlandish comments, I think he's tripping hard.
Yeah, I would say.
California never leaves early.
Hi. Please wait. It may take me a moment to answer.
When you're not hitting so many people, you don't need all California. What does that mean?
Hey there, what do you want?
Hey, how you doing, sir? I just wanted.
This man is clearly under the influence of something. He can't even remember what he was going to say 1 second ago.
Can't you just move along?
There's some water, but could you give me a favor and call a taxi for me? I got lost.
No. No, there's a convenience store just across the river.
Across the river?
Mm-hmm. Up on 21st.
So, that is to the grass. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Thank you.
No, that's the other direction.
Time. No knives and swords and nothing. Goes both ways. God doesn't in here. So what's your rule? And that's all I'm saying.
Is he saying he goes both ways? What the fuck?
While he didn't actually commit a crime in the video, it's suspicious that he's holding a can.
The opportunity of leaving the property.
I can call the police for you if you'd like.
That's fine, sir.
That would be me.
Good. Hey, I'm gonna leave the property now.
No, actually, let me not even say that. That wouldn't be me. I would make sure that you could hear the.
I get 15 minutes now. 15 minutes, that's 15 minutes. Take it.
Perhaps to spray whoever opens the door, and if he did commit a crime nearby before or after, maybe this video will help identify
See you
him,
right there.
as it shows him and his back tattoo clearly.
All police departments, anybody trying to hurt me right now is not invisible. For 100 years.
It was not. It was not invisible for 100 years, y'all. It was not invisible for 100 years.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Be aware and always be vigilant out there. Another man clearly under the influence of something. This man showed up on this porch at 3:49 a.m. He hung out for an hour. Can't tell if he is talking to someone off the porch or talking to himself. More than likely himself. He is obviously on drugs or having a mental health crisis.
Sir, can you help me? Sir, I saw you. Saw you right away. Can I make it? Yeah. Huh? Is that right?
In this clip we have a trespasser that steals a bike. We don't catch it on the clip, but homeowners verified. Let's check it out. Scouting houses to rob. This person walked all around this house and fenced in yard. Didn't steal anything, but appears to be scouting. When we have seen this in the past, we see an uptick in attempted break-ins the next few days. Keep your eyes open and stay vigilant. Trespassing and theft in this one. Anyone able to identify this criminal? Homeowners said he was trespassing on their property in the morning and stole their gas can. Hopefully we just have a thief in this one and not an arsonist. Shameful regardless. Here is a second video clip of this trespassing Gascon thief. We have a chooch, trying doorknobs in the early hours of morning. If you listen closely, it sounds like he does the same to the next door of this residence. Stolen bike. This woman steals a bike off this front porch and walks off. She pretends to ring the doorbell, just in case someone is watching. When she feels the coast is clear, she walks off with the bike. Question: why not ride off into the distance like every other bike thief? She walks off with it instead. Clearly not an experienced thief and clearly not a rider.
Clearly. Clearly.
Attempted theft and gunshots fired. One of the homeowners said these people came onto the property around 5:45 a.m. as my husband was walking out to go to work. Once they seen him, the man goes running and the driver started to shoot. They shot 8 rounds. She said both men appeared to have guns and were shooting. A police report has been made. Let's check this scary clip out and tell us what you think of this one in the comments. Thanks. We don't see gunshots in this. Regardless, we thought we would show it. During this clip would be a good time for us to say thank you for watching the video. If you're not subscribed already, please consider showing your support by hitting that like and subscribe button. We upload new content weekly, most times daily. In doing so, you will never miss out on our newest content. Hit that subscribe button so we can welcome you to the family and thank you for being part of the Twisted TV crew. Without further ado, let's continue. This man walked across this patio through a locked gate, then back out, only to return an hour later to fuss with the ring camera on the side door. On his second trip, he came through the gate but never went back out. So he was either hiding on the property or got out through an adjacent yard. The police arrived fairly soon and searched but didn't find him. Stealing plants. We have a green thumb plant thief in this clip. Let's take a look.
What the fuck?
Lawnmower thief. This brazen criminal enters these homeowners' front porch to steal something. He decides to steal a lawnmower. Homeowners confront him and he doesn't have a care or scare in the world.
Excuse me.
He still continues and steals the lawnmower. Let's watch what happens. We almost guarantee that this thief has no yard of his own to mow. He probably doesn't even know how to start the damn thing. He is clearly looking for items to sell.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Unfortunately, probably for drug money. Let us know your thoughts in the comments as always. And thanks for watching.
Excuse me.
Oh yeah, that was definitely for drugs, and he is so ignoring her because he doesn't feel like dealing with the "I'm here to steal your lawnmower" to go get drugs.
No se lleven ni esa. Excuse me. Voy a llamar a la policía. Hey. 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 Hey.
Y así se puede llevar la asador también. Se pueden huevear.
Yo dije, mami, hay que meterla, pero ahí la quiso dejar.
Dile a tu mamá que llama a la policía, ella puede llamar.
Excuse me.
Woman, that excuse me ain't doing nothing. Call the dang cops.
Wow.
Or go out
Talk
there
about
and do
the
something.
audacity. Can you believe this
Shit.
brazen criminal thief?
If I was home viewing that, I wouldn't have just sat inside doing it from the dang door or from the damn phone. I'd have went out the door like, why are you stealing my lawnmower? Give it back.
What do you think is going to happen in this clip? If you guessed 2 drunk guys come from nowhere and steal the cones, you were right. The real
What?
question is, what are they going to do with these cones? Cone thieves. If you know these guys, kindly ask them to return the property. keep an eye on your cones. What do you think these guys were going to actually do with these cones? Please leave your thoughts in the comments. Thanks. Hit and run. Homeowners said this happened at 1:45 a.m. in the morning. Looks like a light green and a grey, silver Kia Soul racing down our street. They then lose control and the light green one ends up in our yard. Police have been called but have not yet shown up. Any information you may have would be helpful. There was a truck that stopped and told us the guys ran into a house on Wheeling but didn't see exactly which house. I will update with report number later. Thanks.
Really?
We hope you enjoyed the video. We upload new content weekly. Please
Really?
consider showing your support.
Really? Yes, really, woman. They got into a wreck and they were speeding off because it was a hit and run. They were pissed off, doing road rage. So, yes, really. Y'all gotta be careful out there. You know, we have surveillance around our house. Anytime we go out, me and my wife, we both have protection on us. You can't be too careful anymore, and you know, that sucks. It really does suck, because at one point in my life, it used to not be like this. We didn't have to lock our doors. We could leave our doors open all night long if we wanted to. We could leave our windows open all night long. But this world, like I said in a recent video, it's going down the pooper. This world is going down the pooper. It's going fast. And yeah, now we've got to do everything we can to protect ourselves. But if you guys like this reaction, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.
'Cause my life is like a movie. My life is like a movie. And everybody